The J-Tech DLS Lift System incorporates the patented DLS hydraulic panel lift and DLS hydraulic man basket into an efficient operator-friendly lane closure tool. When using vertical panels in your lane closure operation, the DLS system can save up to 40% of the time needed to deploy or retrieve your vertical panels. This system helps to reduce operator fatigue and allows for increased work zone work time. With roller guides for easy movement of panels on and off of the lift platform, there is less manual lifting required. The DLS Man Basket allows the operator inside the basket to raise and lower the panels and basket based on speed and terrain. The panel comes off the DLS level to the ground and allows for the panel to be straight, ensuring a proper pattern. The DLS works on either side of the truck and the basket by the use of a centralized hydraulic system and quick disconnect hoses and mounting hardware. There are movable safety bars and D-rings for the workers stationed on the flatbed or in the man basket while retrieving or loading off of the lift platform. There are anti-slip decking and stairs to and from the basket to the bed of the truck so workers can easily move about. The basket and truck have mounting points for balloon lights or work lights. The DLS basket also allows for the towing of an aero board or balloon light plant of your choice. The DLS can be mounted on your chassis or ours. The dynamic lift system by J-Tech allows you to get the job done safely and efficiently. Call J-Tech and find out how you can rent or own the J-Tech DLS system.